How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're starting here in the truck because we're actually driving down to Isla Morada. We have 2 subscribers, Henry and Mary Sue. They came all the way from South Carolina, guys. Drove a whole way over here without stopping last night. And today we're gonna meet up. They made me this beautiful toilet bowl seat to be able to put it on toilet bowl seat cut. And I'm gonna meet up with them today and we're gonna go actually install it. I've been thinking of doing this for a long time, but I just don't have, you know, artistic skills to be able to draw anything nice enough to go put over there. And they did, you know, they saw my videos and they did it. And I'm gonna actually join them. They have a 21-foot sea hunt and we're gonna go up on their boat and, you know, go install that toilet bowl seat cut and show them around the area. It's crazy, you never know how, you know, maybe your videos can impact somebody very far away. You know, they say that they see my videos and that, you know, they said, hey, we want to come to Isla Morada and do exactly what Miami Living does, you know, and get away from the hustle and bustle of working. And I'm cool that I'm able to affect somebody in that way, you know, in that positive way. So very excited to meet these guys, and I'm here driving right now. We'll be there in about 10 minutes. Alrighty, this is their 21 sea hunt. I'm following them here to the boat ramp. We're gonna launch the boat and we're gonna get out on the water. We're coming into the water to this ramp right here. Alrighty, guys, we're in the water. I'm gonna introduce you guys to Mary Sue. How you guys doing? Say hello to YouTube.
Good morning. What a pretty day.
Yes. First time down here in the Keys, right?
Yes, this is, and it's awesome. I love this place.
And you guys just get started. Here we got the boss man coming through. How's it going, Henry?
Great.
Welcome
Beautiful
to the
morning. Beautiful
welcome to the Keys.
I'm glad to be here. First
Yes,
time
sir.
ever.
Yep, first of many.
Hopefully.
Yes, sir. So yeah, we got the engines warming up, and we're gonna come out of here through the ocean side, and we're probably gonna go straight to toilet bowl seat. Catch you guys up. My friend here picked the perfect spot to anchor, right in the middle of the damn channel. Alright, guys, we're approaching toilet bowl seat cut.
I'll say let's go about the middle way and kind of look from there.
Yep, I agree. Alright, guys, we're picking a location.
All right.
That's perfect.
You got a good angle on it?
Yep.
All right, let me have this.
Open her up.
Clean that up. The blood.
Let's get close to that. Yeah. All right. You want that? Watch it. I'm with you. Hold him out like that. There it is.
There it is.
So you need this up.
I think we're good.
Yep.
All right, Mary Sue, you want to do the honors? See that?
Hey, come on.
That's it. That's all she's going to do.
We're out.
All right.
Now let's turn around and come right back this way where we came into. I don't want to be biased, but those are two of the best looking toilet bowl seats
Yeah, I
I've
was
seen,
looking
right?
on it. Man, I love that boat she drew up there.
I would have never had the artistic skills to pull that off, that's for sure.
I don't have any at all.
That looks great. Oh man.
Miami living, 305.
Yep. Alright guys, so we got the boat in the dock and I brought them over here to Hog Heaven so you could try some nice hogfish and some good seafood. Alrighty guys, so we just left here, Hog's Heaven, catching up, getting to know each other. So Henry, how was the food?
And the food was wonderful.
It was awesome.
It was awesome.
And
I
what-
recommend it to everybody.
You have a
Come
nice
on.
a nice view too.
A nice view. It's great sitting back there on the veranda.
Yep. And we're here guys, here in this is not Key Largo, this is Isla Morada. So you came, how many hours did you drive down here?
15 hours.
Is it worth it?
From North Carolina, absolutely.
Absolutely.
You know, we had a room in Daytona. And we're gonna drive halfway and stop, and drive the rest away. But when we got Daytona, when our adrenaline was running so big, we just kept on going. Called the
Exactly.
hotel to cancel out. Well, I don't know if they're gonna give you your money back. It don't matter, let's go. So we drove all the way, and the drive was great until we got to Miami. And Miami
That
traffic,
Miami
man,
traffic.
changes us up. So there's about 2 hours there. We were just going about 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Exactly.
But once we kind of got down to Homestead and
And
there on
cleared up a
down,
little
it
bit.
opened up and it was good.
Yep. And now today he got his first dose of the water. You guys saw, we went in there and put
Yep.
those beautiful toilet bowl seats that are gonna be there forever now. And here we got his wife. How was the food?
Oh, it was awesome. It was absolutely delicious. Everything, that mojito or the hagajito, that
The
was great
hagajito,
too.
yep,
Yes.
it was awesome.
But yeah, the fish was great. This has been the greatest day. Oh my gosh.
Aaron, this right here is
What's this?
Elizabeth pecans. They're made right there, actually in the Sampson County, a
Oh my
county
God,
right next
awesome.
to where we live. And this is some more pecans, and these are cinnamon coated. That's a pecan brittle they make, and that's probably the best thing they make, their best seller. But
Man, you guys
I
are
got-
spoiling me, man. You
Yeah,
guys brought me a toilet bowl seat. You guys brought me pecan. Oh my God.
well,
You guys are
We
the
some
best.
wine, and I left the wine. We had big winery, and
Don't
I had
worry-
wine,
don't
and I
worry
left the
about
wine. But I'll send you the wine.
No, and I got to send you guys the shirts.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
gonna send you the shirts. I got a medium and a 2XL.
I like to tell everybody that watches this show to go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button and notification.
Yep.
And so keep on letting Ariel keep making these videos.
Awesome.
Yes.
Alrighty, so what you call it? Let's give a big hug.
Oh yeah.
Nice meeting you guys.
Same
You
here.
too.
Thank you
Right
for
here.
everything.
Anything you guys need, always hit me up on my Instagram or the Facebook post. And I always like meeting subscribers like this, and I don't think I'm gonna get this lucky again. but maybe in the future. And now I got to do a trip up to North Carolina where I got to bring you guys all on to see their world now, in the farming world and the big trucks, which I love all that stuff. And I'll probably bring you guys along with it too. So you guys already know how he just said, hit the like, subscribe, and the notification button, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.